ana no ia o kaulana no oia ke ia a kalai kalai manu koloa na hana no oi ke kahi mea na ale kūpono ai ka ale kolole
ai na ai ka pia ku ke kahi ka lai aku no i ke kahi ku mai ka ua he kili mai ka he kili he ai na ko kahani ka olelo ko Makani ai ana ino i ka mea ai ana mai ka mea ai a oi maka
oia
oia ka oia mako mahua
hana maua na ko lima ale leva ai rika lima ilan ale oi hana koloa alang lelo
ina olelo ko maku ni mahua olelo ia pekeia ina ai mawaho ia maku mania ina ai mawa maloko o ina ai maloko mawaho o kui kala mau mai malama ina ina mana o ina ina ke alu nei te po e opio o le Hawaiʻi ina kako ai kako ko ia la ko e maki ane no ko lele o kako no na ko e pakia
ko manau ko me hau manau ai mo nei ia na panela I o le mua I mamu ko manau nei ia I ko ko lo hai au I ko
E nā hoa o ka pono ka ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi I uhi ia maluna o kākou a pau. Ke hawi ku nei vau ia ʻoukou I ki aloha pumehana, aloha. Mai kuhi hewa ʻoukou, a ole vau o kalani akana, he pani hakaka ke ia nana, ai o kalani akana I Molokaʻi ke ia pule. O wau nei o Hailama Farden, a o ke kahi huakipa o Kupuna ʻElikapeka Kauahipaula.
Ai, aloha mai.
A me ko kākou hoa kupuna Mānaleo o Auntie Ailene Townsend.
Aloha.
Ma mua o ka hoʻomaka ʻana, e ololo mai e kupuna Kauahipaula e pule nā kākou.
Ai. Pule kākou, e ko kākou makua aloha I loko kalani. Mei ko mana, naunu e hawe mai a mākou ka iki kana awau I loko ke I papahana I ke I pō. Naunu e alaka I mai a mākou, hiki mākou ke iki ako, nā mea vai, ka olelo Hawaiʻi, me nā mea Hawaiʻi a pau. Nau leile e ke ko aloha, ko kua mai a mākou, o iho e ko nā ke I kupuna me mākou ke I ahi. Hawi ia e ka iki kana wao, I ka olelo Hawaiʻi, wa ano poina o ia a ka naunu e kōkū mai ia ia. Niki me mau ke kahi, kōkū mai a mākou, hiki mākou ke olelo aku, a pani aku, nā kahea mai ka poe, kōkū mai a mākou ke kahi. Nau leile naunu e holo mua nā hana, a mākou e hana ana no ke ia pō. Po mai kai me o ia kalani, ko nā ala hele, naunu I ka alaka I aia, ama hoi mai aia me ka mai kai. No leila me ki I lea puli o I ke ku I loko kau ke hiwi I Yesu Christo, I ola I mako me ka uhane he malele. Amene.
Amene. Mahalo I kupuna.
No,
Pehea mene oai.
Mai kai.
Pehea kou hupena pule.
Mai kai, ho paahana no.
Mauno kou I kaika.
Pono no paha, na wai e malama mai, wai hiki ke kauka I au nā hai. Pono no e hana.
Oia hoi.
Pehe oi.
Oia mau no I ke alo pali. Mai kai no.
Mai kai no.
Kahi no he mo kahi uhi. Ma ka wāwae, ua haki li. Ale pirikia ke manawa.
Oi, malama pono.
No leila, kupuna hanau ia oi ma o ahu nei, ea?
Ai.
A leila lave ia oi I Waiʻōhinu.
Kaʻū, I Kaʻū, Hawaiʻi. Mo kupune o Hawaiʻi, ka pana o Kaʻū. Noho mākou I Waiʻōhinu. Ke la ka wahi o Kū Makani, hanau ia.
No leila, ano kamaʻaina paha oi ke ia Mānaleo nei, ai ole kona ohana paha.
Kona ohana paha.
Ailene Townsend ke ia.
Aloha mai.
Aloha.
Auntie Ailene, mahalo ia oi ka hiki ana mai, ka hele ana mai ke ia, me ka makaʻu ole.
Ai, makaʻu loa.
Pehea oi ke ia la?
Maikai.
Maikai no oi ke nanaku?
Yeah,
Kai ka uʻi.
Aloha.
No leila, kanina umua, o vai kou inoa holo okoa, kou inoa piha.
O ku inoa Ailene Leilani Ku'upapa, Townsend Kū Makani.
Oh, Lori ka inoa male ole.
O Ku'u Ailene Leilani.
O Leilani,
Ai.
ka inoa Hawaiʻi.
Ai.
A o Lori ka inoa male ole.
Ku'upapa.
Oh,
O Townsend Kū Makani.
kane. Oh, no leila, hanau ia oe ma
Honolulu.
Honolulu nei.
A pau Ku'upapa Ma'iloa, ali hiki ai e hana. So,
Hele o
Ku'umama, ia loa hele ma Waiʻōhinu.
Oh,
Hoi o ko.
Ia, no ka mea kula teacher.
kumukula o ia.
Kumakula o ia, ia.
Kula o ia.
A noho wau mākou i o Kaʻū, ka Waiʻōhinu.
Waiʻōhinu.
Va pepe ke la?
Ha?
Ka va
Ia,
pepe.
o wau about e holo
E ha makahiki?
4 years old.
E ha makahiki?
Yeah.
Oh.
And wau loa hoʻokahi, one sister Lave, and i lua
Makahiki.
makahi, ka manawawi, hele mākou mā
So
Kaʻū.
hoi o ko I Kaʻū.
Yeah, ku pāpā make 1990. And then, so no mākou,
Ma Waiʻōhinu.
oh, yeah, mā.
Oh.
Mā ohi nui poik, mā Waiʻōhinu.
Kia la manawa.
manawa.
Po e Hawaiʻi wale no ke
Wā,
kahi.
ai polale, one kumakula, Miss All, and Miss Taylor, kumakula nui no ka West Hawaii. Lako beautiful homie, you know, and Miss All principal of the school. And yeah, then they were, I don't know if ma papa oi kalei waiau.
Waiau.
Aha,
ohana
ma
waiau.
waiau.
Ohana, ohana.
Yeah, yeah.
Te ohana kamaʻaina
No,
ke la.
kumakula. Ka poi kauhani, kaʻuhani. Lako
Kahi, ai.
ma kela wahi ka manawa loa. Hokahi keiki, Antinami kula, kumakula. Mrs. Whittington,
Ai.
o iala ma kona mama ma kaʻu mai, waiau. Mali oia haole, e no lako ma luna o kaʻu, ko koki kona.
Koko ke kona.
And hele kula ma Waiʻōhinu, pau ole loa keiki,
Oh.
to make it worthwhile, you know.
Kike.
Then hele mako ma Nalehu,
Na aleho.
yeah. And holo wāwai mako ma,
Ai.
ai, o ka ma Miss All, who is the principal,
Po o kumu.
yeah, hokumu. Hele pi'i, hele mai ka inamani. O mama wale no hele,
I ke kula.
yeah, maluna ka ka'a.
Ke kaʻa.
Mako
Hele
Hele
wawai.
hele wawai. And ke kahi manawa, ma popo oi ka caterpillar.
Oh, ke la
Enuhe.
enuhe.
Anuhe,
Enuhe.
ka manawa.
Kahi mana kau Loa.
Hele mai
Nui,
maka,
Nui ino.
nui ino.
Ai, ai.
Hele mako ku, ei,
Makaʻu.
makau. Ue, mako, nuka me e tai.
Hehi maluna.
Pehea, ali loa ka kama a ke la mana.
Kama a ke manawa, but still.
Nui loa e.
Yeah. Ka manawa ina
Ua.
ua.
Ua ka nui ka ua e.
Yeah. Nui ka ua kila me.
No leila ale kau ma ke kaʻa o kou. Nā ke
Ole
iki.
no ka mea, ole no more room. Ole loa mea.
Piha loa.
Space piha loa.
Ah.
Only Mrs. Whittington had car.
O wai kai noa ke la kula?
Nā lehu down.
Nā alehu.
Yeah. Kauahipaula, because Mama, I think I was, my 8th grade.
Papa e walu.
Papa e
Papa, yeah. And then graduate from there on the 8th
Pau
grade.
ke kula.
Yeah,
A
okay.
ka lohe vau hele o I Kamehameha? Ke kula o Kamehameha?
Yeah.
Mahope o ke la?
Yeah, no. Yeah, pau
Mānaleo. Papa e walu.
1920, oh my goodness. 29.
A leila heli Kamehameha.
Yeah.
Honolulu.
O wau. Me then mahope o Kū, my sister, e lua makahiki.
Mahope o.
Yeah, mahope o.
O vai kaino o kou kaikaina? O vai kona ino? Kou kaikaina?
Kaikaina.
Kou tita?
Oh, Lovey.
O Lovey.
Yeah, she was in a paper yesterday.
O ia hoi.
Yeah. Talking to what you
Ka
call
poe
it.
o Laila.
Yeah, no, the advertiser.
No leila, ho'omana o oi kahi mau kanaka kaulana o Kaʻū, ko wāli like me Mrs. Puku'i paha,
Yeah,
Uncle Willie.
Mrs. Puku'i is kind of
Ohana ya oko.
Ohana ya.
Yeah. No ku'u mama. Ku'u mama, ku'u kuku wahine. My oiala e mai hilea mai. Mai popo hilea.
Ai iuka.
Ai. No ka mea. Ma popo oi ka manawa ke kahi ua nui. Nui ka vai.
Kahe ka vai.
Yeah. Ko koke la po'ea pau.
Piholo.
Lilo.
Yeah. What was his name in Hilo now? Searle. Pump Searle. You heard Pump Searle. O yala. Puku'i. Lako ke kahi po'e. Ma hopi o puku'i hele ma pahala. Ko nā ka honi. But ke kahi po'e ke imanawa.
Noho malena.
Noho malena. No ka mea what do they call that? It's
Ka oihana mahiko?
no, you know when you have a reservation, not a you own the land there, so they go there. On Pump Searle, hele lako meka me Friday, Saturday no. Yeah, because no ka mea ke kahi manawa when it rains. Nui ka wai. Everything goes.
Lilo.
Yeah.
No he mai ka wai? Mai luna.
Mai luna, yeah. And ke kahi manawa in, you know, the sugar cane? Well, ke ia his story mai, ke ia haole, maluna ka, the boss, maluna ka leo. Pehi ka poke kanaka. No ka mea ka aole makemake lako e hana ke la no ka mea ka wai. Pepehi aia.
Hilia.
Maybe e kulu e ha.
E kanaka.
No, hours after. Nui ka wai.
Pau lilo.
La lilo ke ia. E loa ka, what do you call it, horse, white horse. Yeah, and he used to get with a pepehika po e kanaka.
Ana ino ea.
Yeah, and ke kahi one, ho kahi kani had the nerve to go little. Kali oi.
He la.
Yeah, and about maybe 3 hours after that, kawai hele mai. Everybody. Maki. And lo ihi before kapoe had, because nui kapoe they own the plantation there. So
Kela manawa, ko wali ili? Kela?
Yeah. No.
Mamua.
That was my before. Yeah.
Mamua
But
ko manawa.
Ku uncle George Kavaha.
Ai.
O yala ko my mother's ku'u
ko mama.
My grandfather. I keep
Kupuna.
Kupuna.
Kane.
Kania. Ma papa oi kioki kavaha. Well,
Wadohi wau kela.
all right. Or mea ma pahala. Ai hiki ai e hana keiki. O lelo ku'u. My grandfather.
Kupuna.
No, yeah.
Alipilikia.
Yeah. E hele mai kokua no ka mea kona ku'u tutu.
Ai.
Hapaia hokahi mahina. O Kū Kupuna, hele iaia e pahala. Hokahi mana, o Mrs. Puikui's grandmother, ma pahala at that time. And said, try. Hele o ia hokahi manawa. Mai o Uncle George. And then Ku'u noha o ia me kona papa ma pahala. But kamanawa ku'u mama hele, well, I think 8th grade. Only schools went her. She had to go and take some, you know, in order to get a license. She went to Kaʻū, and they told Kuku George, Mrs. Pukui said, now, ke kahi wahine hele mai ana ma Honolulu. And hele mai ana no ka mea, she was on probation and going to live up a little. You take care of her. No ka mea, ke la ko Kuliana. Told her his sister. He said, ole. Oh, that was shameful. He didn't want. Hila. So when she came, pili la ko.
No leila, Auntie. Ko wā keiki mā Kaʻū. Hele o kou I ka hale pule?
Ai. O Kaʻū hao.
Kaʻū hao ka inoa?
Nui, Nui ka poe ke la manawa. O he oni hokahi Catholic Church. 6:30 in the morning, bako, we hele mako.
Kakolika.
10 o'clock.
Kalavina.
Yeah, kalavina.
Hana o kou I nā ho ike?
Nui la, every time. Yeah. And kuku kawahama pahala. O ia la kau.
Ke kahu?
Ke kahu. Ka poe from Hilo, Puna, Ola'a, all hele mai. And we have Maikai, Ho'ike. And Ho'ike, and my auntie, my mother's oldest sister, had 12 kids. And her husband, Inu Oia Kuna Kani, Maki Oia. So number 12 came and stayed with us, and then Hele Oia came to Kamehameha. So when Kyokim, my grandfather, my Uncle George, was not for own father, because his own,
Papa
Hanai, because it was his wife that had babies. He would, Oyala, come here, the big shot, noka pa'aina. Na poi apau ma kona a hele mai lako. O wau me ke sister, and my cousin. Yeah. Ina kamanawa what do you call it?
Pauku hopa?
Pauku, yeah. And Olelo, Keiki Kani Olelo asked the question, you know. Well, vai ka lako alakai, and Kū o lavi, o mofi. Kukuluhi said, well, alihikia. Hiki, lohi. Wala au. Wakai manawa, loud. And she said, oh, mofi. Na poe apau, because kam ola Puna, Kelikikua, nui ka poe. Oh, that church was. And if ina hele oi nana, o ike imana.
Hele mau oi ke manawa? Hele mau oi ke manawa ke ho'i?
Last year, I go with Mary, or when Mary take me over, we
hele me lako. Pehea nā mele a uko I himeni ai, ma ka hale pule?
O Joseph Kekoa.
O I ka luna? Ke kumu?
Kumukula o ia. Ma Juni, July. Hele mai a koe hao.
O ia.
Hele o ia e himeni me ka kwaia. Ho ma popo o ia. And lave mai ka mea the music.
Papa himeni.
Yeah. And we all was.
No leila, o vai nā mele? Ka maaina ia oai, nā mele Ka maina oi, ke kahi mau mele.
You mean a Hawaiian mele?
Ke kai mele,
all
hale
kinds.
pule.
Hale pule, sure.
Ai.
Because alihiki mako e himeni haole.
Oh,
Ka mea apau
Ma ka olelo Hawaii.
Ka pule.
Ka pule.
Ka hair, you know,
Now,
when they counted us, you have to say, Ailene, ko lima and then.
Pea ka hale pule, ma ka olelo Hawaii wale no?
Ke kahi manawa.
Oh, kahi manawa olelo haole.
Ina kiki ale ma popo. But
ka olelo Hawaii ka maamau. Hiki a oi ki himeni kahi mele hale pule?
Oh, yeah. Yes no ke kahu hipa.
Hiki no?
Mai kai.
Paakela. Hiki no? Hiki a oi ki himeni.
Oh, yeah. Yes no ke kahu hipa. Kahu hipa mai kai e nā mako ka ohana e ho'olohe ahai he aloha ala ka I aha nai mai he aloha ala ka I aha nai mai.
Oh, mahalo.
Yeah.
Kupuna, kou wā li'i. Hele oi ka hale pule ma Leila?
Ole, ma Leila, hele wau I ka hale pule I hilo.
O hilo?
Ko mea, ko umanawa I hele I Kaʻū, pepe ana no.
O pepe wale ni?
Ai. Haalele mākou I Leila, I think e kolu ma kahiki wale no, ke la manawa.
Ale oi ho manao ke la wahi?
Nā vai
ole, mapopo iau ka hale, nā kumula au ma Leila, ka ke kahi ae, nā kumu ae ua ulo a nui ale kana mea mapopo loa ma hea ka hale.
Hui hoi.
No ka mea, ka wai ma ka mountain above. Ke no aohe mea.
Because mapopo wau he kaha wai ma ko mako hale, ni loko mai a ka hale mai mua. Ke mana hele wau nana.
Ke manawa, ka manawa wau anoho ma ka Waiʻōhinu. Ke kai manawa ka wai hele mai ma ke iwahi no ka ina wena o ka poe lo home. Hele mai ka wai up to the lanai. That's when I was home.
No ka mea, he pi'ina
ai. Ka ua hao.
Ai.
Pea ke kai ua hai o iau kahi mele no ke la hale pule o ka ua haau?
Yeah.
Loa ke kahi mele?
You mean church songs? No.
Ke kahi mele o ka ua?
Yeah, after I get through talking, I will sing the song with this.
Oh, mai kai. Mai kai.
Nui ka mele o Kaʻū.
Oh, mai kai. Pehea, lohe wau ka maaina o ia ana ka la Willie Mainaki.
Ma papa oi Willie Mainaki. Kona mama o Waiʻōhinu, mama me ka hana store.
Haliku ai?
Ole haliku ai. Other kind of mirror, like toilets and that kind of stuff. Yeah. And then kehi wahine o ka post office. Halileka. And lo I loa. No ka mea male o ia ho kai kane, a loa o ho kai keiki kane. O iala hele ma maui. Male ho kahi. Another one. And he had Uncle, Willie Mainaki, Lula Mainaki, kumuniu o ia, likipu kumuniu. Hele o ia ma kona waina. Ke la manawa a ohi mea electricity. So ka po e kanaka, fixing the and ina ua, hele mai o Auntie Lulu me ka mamalu and olelo ka po I loko ka awe. Nā oia ka kumuniu wawai ko lea. And olelo iaia. Mahalo, ai hea la ka haliku ai? E no hoi la ko. E ha, Hele mai, oh,
Oh, where?
yeah.
Mai kai.
O lelo oia, maki lako, what you call it, forgive them because they were
Kala.
digging, they saw her coming, and then
Oh.
she was talking, she was a coconut tree with the legs of the
Ua
plover.
kuhi hewa la.
And iki aia, ma popo, ko Uncle Willie do, mai kai oia wala
Walaau Hawaiʻi.
yeah.
Ai.
Au, ana kala he,
Uncle Willie.
aale oia he Hawaiʻi ia?
No,
Koko Hawaiʻi kona? Kelemania.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
But,
piha.
oh,
Mai kai.
mai kai.
Ka mai ka
Ano,
olelo Hawaiʻi.
Walaau,
Ai.
kanaka.
Oh.
Only
Ai.
nobody else could fit. He knew it right down to the T. He could talk Hawaiian anyway with anybody.
Oia ka olelo
Ai,
o
ia
ke
mamu.
lao,
Ai,
yeah?
ai.
Yeah.
Mamu.
Olelo
ke lao, no?
Hawaiʻi ka poe, ke la
Ai.
manao.
Ule
And
nei.
kuna one brother of his, Charlie, inu loa. Oh, especially Saturday. Hele oia, hele ku ai ka,
Kalama.
ka,
Ka pia, ka lama.
Lama.
and hele mai maka,
Ke ala.
road. Yeah, right in the middle. And
Inu oia.
yeah, no, walk up, singing,
Hi meni.
and in the ka hele mai. Oleha. Get on the street, or you break your alley, hele ai.
Ale oia hoʻolohe, nā ka hele wale oia.
Hele. Well, lucky they were at the quad, so it didn't take so long. So then they get my mother. As soon as he saw my mother, he
O
says,
makau oia.
all right, I'll go right home. And my mother said, I'll take you home.
Lawe oia ki ai
Hele,
ka hale.
otherwise he won't lose to anybody.
Ai.
He was the only one who drank.
Pehea, kou wā li, o lelo Hawaiʻi wale no makahale? O lelo kanaka makahale?
Haolei no ka mea, ku papa make. Or early 1919 he died.
Ai.
And so although my sister and
Kikina.
my cousin, we lived there until we went to Kamehameha School. But everything was Hawaiian. I took
Ke la
apu.
manawa.
I must have taken about 10 apus, the kind, what do you call, umi 5 times 5,
Ai.
ke la ano. No ka mea, mai I had hano.
Oh.
He haka laau.
Oh,
What
all
is a
kind.
laau?
Lau Hawaiʻi paha?
Ai,
I had that, what you call that, the one that has a smelly one in right hohono
Ke la
noni.
noni. Ai,
Noni.
hele o Abby Makamba e. Scrape, yeah.
Ai.
Screen, put them down.
Ui
Yeah.
pau.
Yeah. Hele mai, like Niki po ke ia makapilo, ma nei ka pilo, inu.
Oh.
Umi, what do you call it, 5 times 5. 35 to 5, no, 25 times. Pau, kamanava, inu,
Pe ua ola no ke la mai?
castor oil.
Ai.
Then upi.
Oe.
Oh, and yeah.
Oh,
And pau nao ke ia manava, mai ka iwa wau hele, kauka, only when I have children.
So mai ka iko o la kino.
Yeah.
Ua pau ka hano. Ua
Yeah.
pau.
I don't have hanu. When I left, when I came to Kamehameha, I was fine.
Ua mai ka i oi.
Yeah.
No leila, ma Kamehameha. Hele mai oi Kamehameha.
Yeah, hele mai ma ka kula ma where King Street is, the old one.
Malalo.
Ilua ma ka hiki.
Kula
Mai
kai
ka
ka mahine.
yeah.
Kula
Mai
kai ka
ka
mahine,
yeah, nice.
Ua mai ka i nā kumu ke la manawa.
Oh,
ole,
ai. No ka mea, our church.
Po'okumu. Oh,
No, it
Halepule.
was right over there.
Oh,
And hele lako.
Halepule.
Yeah, Halepule. And the boys would come,
hele
and
mai.
it was nice. I don't know why they tore it down.
Oh.
Oh, they sold it,
Yeah,
that's right, too.
yeah. No leila, hiki a oi ke hai mai a mākou no Kamehameha. Ko wā ma Kamehameha
Oh, yeah.
paha.
Yeah.
Mr. Ken.
Yeah. Well, before that, I want to tell you, Uncle Willie. Uncle Willie used to go
Anakala.
down to get the salt. You know,
Pākai,
Pākai.
Pākai mai punalu paha between Ninole.
Oh, ai.
Popo. O Ninole ke ia wahi o o ako i.
Kawa. Kaua.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
A
kaua.
hele o ia kamanawa ka kai nui a.
Ai,
Hele aia e
Yeah,
ki
ai,
i
Paakai.
Liki pulled up strainer, but what do you call that material? no,
Oh.
eke ma'u,
Oh, eke mo.
and hana iaia. Oh, ihi wahi.
Ah.
Ka manawa ka wai e hele mai, pau ka wai.
Ai. Pākala e,
yeah.
malo'o ka.
Ke kahi manawa, umikuma lua, umikuma hiku,
Eke.
eke.
Oh. Nui,
Pure
nui.
white.
Ai, ai.
And only aku wile, and he's small,
Hele
you know,
o
wile
eki
mai
ai.
ke. He used to take it a hokahi mile,
Hokahi.
1 mile to, I don't know how he got it in his ring.
Ha'awi aku, ai ole ku'ai aku.
Oh, no, he wouldn't chuck. Ole. Hele aia e ki'i and lako, you know, what's that, we had those crocs. What are the
Croc.
crocs?
Kelemania.
Kelemania. Nā
Kelemania.
koe a pau. Hele mai aia i nā makamake one bag, hele mai ki'i.
Ai.
Ha'awi vale.
Yeah. Malawa. No more hard. You got to make sure no more dirt get in it.
Ai, pole
O
rei.
mai mai
And you got to
e-
get it before the next time, otherwise you puho.
Ai.
Wow, hele ha'awi ia o ka po'i o Kaʻū pahala na ma Punalu'u.
Ai.
Hono apo. Wako a
A
pau.
ole oi hana ke la ke kahi, ua hana oi ke la.
What?
Ohi pa'akai,
Well, yeah, but
kai
ke
manawa.
kahi manawa ka manawa i loko kukula a hiki i loko mea.
Oh, ia.
Ka manawa o
Vākula ke la.
yeah.
Akula ke la. Ai.
Hele oi me
Aku wile,
wili?
yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Ano pili o lua.
Oh, yeah. He e noho ai me mako ka manawa when he was old, then he had to go to the
Ano ba ele
doctor.
makule.
Yeah, no, he had to go to he died down at Waiʻōhinu.
Noho o ia mau
Yeah,
ahua.
no, he lived at he lived at the Elks Club, and then he came to stay with us.
Me o kou. Oh.
Very good to my children, all of them. They
E
were a
hia au
lot to him.
keiki.
Huh?
E hia au keiki.
5.
E lima. O vai nai
Hokahi
no.
Kani, Fresno,
O vai kona inoa.
Bill Townsend.
Bill. A me.
Helia hokahi e lua makahi, years. He went to DePaul University, then he had mai, what do you call it? Hanotu.
Oh.
And then when he went away, he got married to a haole, so he's
Male o ia
living
ika.
there, yeah. But kamanava mane ine o kane Pacific Welding.
Oh.
O leila o ia ka hiapo.
Yeah, down
O
at
vai ka
my,
e lima keiki.
yeah, e ha kekamahine o kahi keiki.
O vai nai
O
no.
ku'u kekamahine o Lulani. Male o ia Pake Hawaiian, and ma hana o ia maka by the he's down by the plains, where the plains are here.
Kahua makule.
Yeah,
E ka lua.
e lua keiki mahine. Ho kahi keiki mahine. A kamai no ka paani volleyball.
Oh.
Hele ai a pau, hele me Pacific a pau hele Santa Clara.
Oh.
Ke i manawa, hele kula no ka what do you call it, that airplane, mokulele.
Oh, mokulele. No leila, o urulani ka lua.
Yeah, Ululani, then Dari over there, over there. Dari
Kumukula o
and
ia ma
Kumukula
Kamehameha.
with you. Male o Agent Hart Ellis. Kumukula or Nuka, what you call it, sports. What's the name of that school? Down called Farden. Kehi over there. Marion, oia e kolu keiki kani o kahi kekamahine. A konama ke imanawa or kamana ma Santiago, his second year. Puni going to graduate.
Pukana, mahina.
And Kamaka is in, Marion, where are you?
Ma kamaka ma Kamehameha ke
No,
kai.
but down by Sydney, at some place.
Oh, New Zealand,
Yeah, as an exchange student. And then Kiahi over here.
Kamaka Kaʻū haumana ma.
Oh, yeah.
Mai kai kau mau mo opuna. Mai
Yeah,
kai
ole
lako.
ma popo ia kona Hanoi, ke manawa a ole. Hele a ka wahi mai kai paha. Opa, Hano.
Ai.
No leila, o vai
Hano.
ka hope loa, ka muli loa, o Kaʻū keiki, ka ʻelima, ka helu ʻelima, ka pepe.
Oh, good.
Nā kaikamahine,
Yeah.
o vai ka hope loa.
Bill. Bill's the first.
Bill ka mua,
And Ulu.
Ulu,
And Dari.
Dari,
And Marion.
mhm.
Oh,
O vai ka hope loa.
I almost forget. Charlotte.
Oh.
Charlotte had polio.
Mm.
The first polio case when the epidemic was.
Kamehameha.
No,
I mean,
polio.
Hawaiʻi nei.
Yeah, my Hawaiʻi. The big
Oh.
epidemic. She was the one who had it, and she had it bad.
Oh.
She had to go to Shriners Hospital because she was paralyzed from all of her right leg.
Mai-
Oh.
A little bit on, no, her right leg, yeah. And she has a short leg. And, but she went to, part-time she went to the Prairie, then she went to school at,
Hele kau mau kiki a pau i ka memeha?
no, Olela, one of my children.
Hey.
Kamana wa makimaki,
Oh.
Colonel Kent said, no more, there weren't enough Hawaiian in them. So,
Oh.
and here, well, they Kū Makani
Ua hele i
graduate.
ka memeha.
So now all of them are in the Kamehameha.
Kau mau
Kupuna,
moʻopuna. Yeah.
yeah, all my
Ai.
mopuna.
Pehea kau kane, o vai kona inoa.
Opuni, George Townsend.
No hea mai oia.
Molokai.
No Molokai
Yeah.
oia.
No ka mea Kona Papa Townsend, yeah. Ka manawa ka haole no home what one. The grandfather, great grandfather was a
Hele mai oia.
oia maka. He had a boat.
Mm. he
Lavi
moku.
mai ka poe haole
I
poe
Hawaii.
yeah.
Ai, ai.
Townsend.
Mm.
And then hele mai then the manawa one of them married a Hawaiian.
Male
And that's
Hawaii.
how we got our Townsends there.
No leila, kau kane hapa Hawaiʻi.
Yeah,
Hapa
Hapa
Hawaii.
Hawaii, yeah.
Ai.
Oh. A o
Yeah, he nui kona brothers and sisters my husband had.
Nui
Nui.
na
Yeah.
hoana, e.
No mai, what do you call it? Molokai.
Oh.
Ke manawa, kau kane,
Mai
ua
hala, yeah,
hala o
yeah.
ia.
Do ihi loa no ka mea. He had something wrong with his,
pilikia me
what do you call it?
opu.
Opu something.
Oh, pilikia.
Yeah, spleen.
Oh.
Oh, spleen.
And that was just like having, so, and he died from it. But he was a good man. He owned Pacific Welding, and he took Agent Hart and all, Billy,
Kau mau.
all of my year to work there
Hana
during
me-
the,
me, yeah?
yeah, during the
Oh, my Manawa
summertime, Manawa,
Kau vela.
Paukula, you know,
Oh,
and
kau vela.
yeah. And then they went on their own.
No leila, hele mai oi ka memeha.
1929,
A puka oi.
1933.
Oh. Pehea ua maikaʻi o ka mea ke lau manawa
O mai kai, yeah. Ke ala manawa oni what, 23 I loko kuʻu.
Oh.
Ka mea.
Ke ia manawa.
Nui,
no,
nui.
but mai kai no ka mea. Hele mākou ma ka wahi o Kalihi. Hele mākou in nāna ka poikane.
Lohe wau kamaaina oi I koʻu kupuna kane. Hele mai oia mai hahaioni mai me nā kane e a hokomo ka elelu I loko kai mea hoʻopuiwa ia oi.
Oh, yeah, right. But, you know, the thing is that
Hana
ke la
koe.
manawa, you know, mai kai ka keiki kane
Ai.
o ka kikahi.
Kolohe a ka ale
Kolohe,
Yeah,
pilikia.
yeah. But ke imanawa, well, lucky I don't have any children. There are too many people
Me.
there.
Nui
This
na
year we
mea
only had
ino.
classes of 23. We only had, was 23 girls, mind you. And look at the hundreds.
Nui ino
They
koe
don't hardly
manawa.
know each other.
No leila, haʻaheo oi, ka hele ana I ka mehameha?
Ai, no ka mea, wau a ale loa ka la e hele maua o ma nei nei. So, hele wau e hana. Ala hele ki I ka automobile.
Oh.
Every day in the morning, hele wau e
Holoi.
holoi.
Holoi kaʻa.
Friday, hana, seminize the whole thing.
Oh.
10 cents a day no ka
Holoi ana ka kaʻa.
holoi. The Friday, $1.50 for sermonizing, and I had 7 casts.
Oh.
And then
He
Hannibal
mau ka'a kela no ke kula.
No, well, that's for my spending.
Kela ka'a.
Yeah, all the
Au i
teachers
holo
teach.
iai.
Yeah.
O nā.
And then the shoes.
O
Miss
ka
Brown,
wā.
our singing teacher,
Mm.
she had good white shoes, so I got
Holoi.
quarter for that. And she had about 5 pairs,
Mm.
and she had 2 pairs of brown and 2 black. So
Holoi
I made,
oi
yeah, holoi,
i nā-
and
i nā
then
kama'a.
Miss Hampton,
po'okumu.
she had the food plot.
Oh,
I used to work there too because I was
Ana oi
doing
me
secretary
lākou.
work. Yeah.
yeah.
So, and Kū Makani then at the time, my senior year, a'ole loa ka ala, hele hale ku'ai or hele ka movies. So, lucky thing I had.
No lelo, hui o lua ma Kamehameha, kau kane me oi, hui ma Kamehameha.
My last year,
Oh. Mai kai.
I was hele ana bako I ka pa'aina down the beach.
Mm.
I was just friends with another boy,
Ke kahi.
and he
Ho'olauna.
he fell on the boat and was burned almost to death, and he was my husband's roommate. So they called and told me
Malila.
that, they
Pili
didn't
ai
think he
o lua.
wasn't going to take me and make
Eliaku.
sure he took care of me at the
Oh.
at
Malila.
Kailua.
Eh.
Okay.
No, just to make sure that,
Ko-
we were all together.
Kokua.
Yeah.
Ai,
Ai.
koko
And
ke
then
kai.
Lo'ihilo or Aina sick because it was all burned.
Oh.
Hiki a oi ke helu mai, ha'i mai I nā inoa o nā kumu o Kamehameha ke la manawa?
The what?
Nā inoa o nā kumu? Mrs. Hakau, Mrs. Brown? No, Mrs.
Oh, Miss Brown.
Mrs.
Miss
Brown.
Brown. Oh,
O wai nā kumu.
Kamanava mako ma
Kamehameha.
kalihi.
Yeah.
A ole a nui loa ka poe. They had, let me see, we had a history teacher.
Yeah. O
and
vai,
a
o vai lako.
Poe haole.
Ai.
Mrs. Hampton was the
O ia ka...
up the cooler for food.
O vai ke po o
me ai.
kumu ke la manawa?
Miss Schaffer. She
Shafa.
was the head, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
She was the
keep
one
walking.
from down school when I was there. A nice woman.
Kulahaha.
Aole Molly.
Oh.
And then I think, she was still there. No, then she resigned, and Miss the other lady, who was our teacher of the
Ke kumu no ka...
gym,
Oh,
athletics.
ai, ai,
And then when Miss Schaffer resigned, then she went there.
ai.
So,
No leila.
but
Ma-
well, makimaki ka kula malalo.
Ai.
Li'ili only 23.
Oh.
I loko ku'u.
Di wale
Yeah,
no ya.
li.
No
And
leila
hiki
ko.
a ko e hele ma ka hele ma ka where the boys were, we all got together. And then we had the church there, was nice.
Oh,
The
mai
brick
kai.
church.
Ke la wā, ma Kamehameha,
Ai.
ala oi ka kahi a ka hana,
Ala a mako e umikuma ano.
Oh.
Hele holoi ka waha.
a
Yeah. When I first got there, we were in, way
Right.
upstairs was about 15 girls in one
noho
area.
o kou ma ke kula.
Yeah.
Noho o kou ma ke kula.
Yeah, and I
Ah.
slept there. And then in the morning, ke lamanawa,
Kahi aka.
o ka poe hele mako. Ke kahi manawa wau hele hana ka poi.
Oh.
Ke kahi poe hele
Hana
holoi ka mea kumukula loli. Ke kahi hana o ko'a hana. Okay. But when ke kahi manawa e hana wau ka poi, o Jonah Wise, old man Wise, and
Kumu Hawaii o ia, yeah?
yeah, and the what's his name?
Hawaii.
O ia elua ke ki kane, Muffet Baldwin. Hele lako e ki ka elilu, and lako lawe mai ka poi, I look ka barrel,
Oh,
Yeah.
kapala.
and then and what's the call that what you call bags, the
Eke.
bags,
Eke.
eke on top.
Oh.
And coming out of Hailama o road, one I had to go get it, and then put it up to straight, and they would all these
elelu,
oh, scream and we got, why sure, oh, nui, only wako iki kela ano.
Maka'u oi.
Well, ina heliana oi, e ki I ka poi, e po o komo I loko ka papa nui, no ke kahi o to
Obali.
Yeah, to Obali. And right away, students
Kū
they see them like,
elelu.
and when you yell, you get brained. They didn't know, but we couldn't tell, and they loved it.
Mo aka lako. O ori lako ka. Hana kolohe.
Kolohe. Turner Wise, boy, I tell you. He and Buffett Bowman and the other guy, I tell you. But that, there were only like 23 in our class down there. And we had good time. We had song contests right out on under the trees there. Yeah, 23 of us. Not like now, there's nothing.
No leila, ko no'o. Makame me kela manawa li'i ke kula. Mai ka'i ka li'i ai ole mai ka'i ka nui.
Mai ka'i loa, no ka mea. Everybody knew everybody.
Yeah, kama aina.
Aale hiki a lako, o mako, e hana mea a ohi mai ka'i. Ke kahi keiki, always. There's always somebody who does right. But you know, everybody knew everybody. And you
Ohana no.
We had to wash clothes. These clothes, I think, don't know what there is. We used to wash clothes.
Hana nui o ko,
Yes. And you had to, the teacher would come in on Friday. In the morning, you give her what you're gonna wash, and you better have the same thing.
Holoi oi na lole no na
ku. Only one is missing, you stay. And we had this girl, ko lohi, here oia e ki'i ka lole vavai. O kamanawa with my husband, ke'i wahine make, but hele oia e ki'i ka, what do you call that? Sausage. Ai, hele oia ma ku'u wahi. Ho'okomo ka sausage I loko ka kolohe. Hemoloa ka mea ka pio. Ai, hele ki'i ka black thread. Ho'okomo I loko ka mea. Hele mai Yako, the teacher.
Kamehameha.
Nana, you know what it would look like.
Ko lohe.
Ko lohe. No leila, Auntie, ko koke pau ke ia hola, umi minu ke I koe, mahope o Kamehameha, hana oe mahea.
Maka, for the social service, I was a stenographer. Then we went to...
Ano kakao olelo kera?
Yeah, kakao.
Kakao olelo.
Then, as people came in, so that we would know what was going on. And then they stopped there, then they turned it into the Department of the Federal, state. And we went down to where the old, where they had the people from Molokai used to take care of children of lepers.
Kalihi.
No, Kalihi.
Kalihi.
Then we got there, and then I decided I had Mr. McGregor said there was because I was secretary down Pearl Harbor. So I went down there.
Lohe vau he haleku ai pua ko?
Yeah. Well, Pau Ku'u, Hanama, and I had the kids, the three girls. Then, yeah. No kamea kamanawa kawa, Kū Makani, Kū ai ke ia wahi, ke ia nui hale. Hiki a mako all the kids, my mother-in-law lived down in Kaʻū. Yeah, and they were always making them go to somewhere. So we got there, all the family lived up, because we had 7 bedrooms. All lived up there. And then Mama Townsend and Papa could take. Papa had stroke. And Mama had
Maihuki.
So it was easy to go up there because they could.
Ko wā, makua kela. Ua hānau mai nā keiki.
Yeah. Yeah, kela manawa, oh boy. Kia keiki, we're going to school already.
No leila, loa ia oi kela haleku ai pua ma Honolulu. Mahope.
Pau ku'u.
Hana kakau olelo. Pearl Harbor. Ku'u
homi ma Pacifica. Kani makemake akes. So nui ka wahi, so hiki aia e hele.
Kanu na meka.
Then he said, oh, make use of it. So I started a flower shop down his place, first. Then I went into town.
Maya kela wahi.
By his, no. South Street, in the front of his shop. And then it got too small, so I moved to Mauna Kea.
Oia ke Kū Makani e ani Mauna Kea.
Mauna Kea Street, way down, almost the end. I had that one, and then we moved up when they tore it down. When, what's his name, tore the place down or renovated it.
But ho maha oi ki manawa.
Yeah.
Ale oi hana nei ki manawa.
Oh, kikahi manawa. They don't care. They just call me up. So and so died. Can you make? But I don't make any of that. I do something for na maki lako likipu kapo graduating now. Then I kokua them and I go to the place and ask them. And tell them that we want it, and then I go make sure that they don't cheat, they don't trust them.
Kokua oia lako.
But
no leila, ko koke mai nei ka palena pau o ke ahi. Makemake vau e noia oi ina hikia oi ke himeni a hula paha.
Yeah.
Ke la mele no.
Mele o Kaʻū, eh?
Kaʻū.
Okay.
Kaulana oi ke la hula.
I don't know.
Okay.
Where's my girls? You kids gonna sing?
Now no.
Wait, I gotta take my shoes off because I don't know how to dance. Ole ka ano mai kai ke ano hula no kamea.
Mai kai no o ike vau ia oi.
Ole. Yeah, your mother, your sisters are always asking me. Okay. Ready? Hano vale no o Waiʻōhinu ku'u oni hanau mai na kupuna mai lei mauloa oe ka maile o ha'ao I vili ia me ke ala kalau o ka pāmai o ka pāmai a ka makani kupa o ka aina ho'oheno mono me ka ehuka ai ka o ke kai nehe I ka ili no ke kai nehe I ka ili hano vale no.
Oh, mahalo.
Okay, mea mai ka iloa no ka mea ke ia e nā kamanawa mako I keiki. E kamanawa hele lako I ka, what do you call that? They used to give things to make money for the when we had our ho'i kids in there.
No ka hale pule?
Yeah. No. Actually had a hall, and we used to go make money. So we were in Auntie Nami Kauhani no teacher told us how to hula.
O nana ia oia oi ka hula.
Oh my God.
Hele mako me kona or ke kahi vai a puna lu'u.
O vai kahi mele, hokai hou mele ke olu. Kaʻū ha'ao.
I wonder if I know it all. O kaʻū ha'ao ke aloha. O kaʻū o ka nana kalamaka. Oh, I forget that one.
Ali pilike.
In What was the other one we used to know? Ke lama nawa, nui ka hele mako I ka halepule. No ka mea mapopa mako nui ka anthems, you know. Because Joseph Kiko used to come down and get it at Waiʻōhinu. And he'd bring the cantatas up to us.
Hele aku oia I Kaʻū a oia
and then we would have a story, you know, poku. And they always gave me, for God loves the world. Anyway, and then Lovey had no teeth over here. And they'd say, okay, she would start it. And the cuckoo pa would say, all right, Wiki Wiki. Ovai kalako, the boy would say, Ovai kalako alakai. And my sister would say, oh, Mothe. She had no teeth over here. And everybody clapped and said, Alihiki wa lohewa. Oh, she said she did. She knew she didn't know anything. She had to do it again just to make it. And they were the people who came were. I had long kind. I had long kind paku because we could say it well. It was good. I enjoyed that.
Nolei la mahalo ia oi ka hele ana mai ke ia la.
Kala mai oi ka uvalau ana a pa.
Ana mai ka I oi.
Ua hiki mai nei kako I ka palena pau. He mana o hope loa kou. Ho'okahi minuke I ko ai.
Ho'okahi minuke hea.
Me ka viki paha.
Yeah. No Uncle oia kalemania ba akamai oia he wala au.
Pululi.
Yeah. Akamai.
Mahalo aku o iaia. Mahalo aku o iaia.
Hele hima university. Hele ki'i shells. And haawi no ka
ke kula.
No what's it what you call museum. Na poi a pau hele mai ni no Uncle Willie e pukua lako e hana kikahi mea mai kai, you know. No mea aka mai ko kela
Well, mahalo ia oi auntie ka hele ana mai ka hula ana mai ka himeni ana mai.
I hope I did all right. It's all done already. Pau.
Ole ko koke pau ke holo nei no. No leila mahalo ia oi kupuna Kauahipaula.
Ke oli no.
Hana nui au.
How oli wau e
pehe a poe ale poe kahea mai?
Ai, oia no, ale po e kahea mai kia la. Ale pili ke au. Hiki ke no ho'olohi ai. No leila mahalo kako ia o lelo, me kalani a kana, kona hiki kino ole ke ia la. Me ka poe o loko ke la lumi, ka ko'o. Mahalo ia o kou.
Who would think that?
I ka himeni, I ka ho'olohi ana mai ia kako.
He ana hoi au kaulana no. No oia ke kehia. Lea kalai talei manu kaloa. Na hana no hoi oi ke kahi mea na ale kūpono. Aia ka ale polole.
Ai na ai. Ka pia ku ke kahi. Ka lai aku no hoi ke kahi. Kuru mai ka ua. He kili mai ka he kili. He aia na ko kahani.
Ka olelo ko umakukani. Ai, ana inu I ka mea ai, anana mai ka mea ai a oima.
Oia.
Oia ka oia maku mahua.
Hana maua na ko ina. Ale leva. Ai, Waiʻōhinu, ale oihana. Koloa, alang lelo.
Ina olelo o maku ni mamua. Olelo ia me keia. Ina oi mawaho. Ia maku mania. Ina ai mawa, maloko o. Ina oi maloko, mawaho o. Uikala mau. Mai malama I te ina. Mana o ina ina.
Ke alu nei te poe o pio, ole na Hawaiʻi. Ina kākua ai kākua kukui a la kua. E maki ane no ka lele.
O kākou no na ko po e pakia.
Ko manau, kume hau manau. Mua nei au na panela I o lelo mua I mamua.